Hello, English learning aspirants. How are you all? Hope you all are doing really well. Fine. So today I have brought something different for you. This is a topic that I have come across with few of my students facing confusion in this, and they sometimes argue as well that would it be right or wrong. Basically, there is a difference between British English and American English. Now, how is it? Let us understand by taking one example. Alright, if you know there is a conjunction either or and neither nor, most of the students speak it in this manner: either or, neither nor. The students have the confusion now. What is the correct pronunciation? Either or neither nor? Because there's a difference between both. Basically, either or, neither nor is the correct pronunciation. Let me tell you why. Because Indians follow British English. However, we too need to pronounce it like this: either or, neither nor. Thank you so much. And I'll be definitely bringing such kind of videos related to pronunciation, related to how you can speak in English fluently, not only fluently but correctly.